Do I look crusty? I don't know. Let's go everyone. My name is President Lovo and this right here is my YouTube channel. Make the ground shake. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that bell to be notified whenever this face uploads a new video. I thought it would be like a cool idea if I could like vlog this moment. I want to make these popcorns. Yeah. I want to try these out. I got them from the dining hall downstairs. Salt and vinegar. I love salt and vinegar. Anything with salt and vinegar. Ooh, that's me. This looks so fucking weird. Okay. There's like instruction. What's this? Ooh, seasoning, salt and vinegar. I don't have a microwave, guys, so I'm using my roommate's microwave. I can't wait to see how this turns out. So it's in the microwave now, so you guys can see. Can you see? Set up right. Yeah. No, wait. I have to leave it for how long? Microwave on high, full power. It has to be on high. Yes, it's full power high for 2 to 4 minutes. Okay, 2 to 4 minutes. I'm gonna make it 4 minutes. We're gonna wait for the popcorn to do the things to pop. Yeah, and we're gonna see how they're gonna come out. I'm very excited. This is like my first time buying this. I've seen like a lot of students getting this. I'm like, okay, what is that? What's happening? So I was like, okay, Pacey, just get yourself a pack and just try it out. I don't know, should I give you guys like a room tour? Like, there's nothing interesting about my room. Like, it's a very dull room. Books here. Books. Yeah, we have my books here. Like, I read sometimes for academic purposes, sometimes just for pleasure. But yeah, my favorite book so far, it has to be Wonder. There's a movie adaptation of Wonder. I don't know if you guys have seen a trailer of it, but then yeah, go check it out. It's a very good movie and a very good book. I don't know whether I should suggest that you guys go watch the movie first or just read the book first, but then either way, just go check it out. My second favorite one is Age of Iron. Now I had to read this one because I had a test, so I had to read this book for academic purposes. And then we have Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie. Now I've started reading this one now recently. It's also for academic purposes, but then so far I'm loving it. Oh my word, I can't pronounce her name. And then we have Bomb Boy, also for academic purposes, and I've started reading it now. I really have to finish this one because I'm gonna receive an assignment on this one, so I really have to read this one and finish it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is my little library here, and yup, this side, guys, this side is where I put all my, I don't know, notes and stuff. And then this is where I have like my YouTube video ideas, so I write down every video idea that I want to do for you guys, and then I like boop. So I still have to record all these video ideas for you guys. And then this is the team right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see me. So yeah, this is the 2018 staff for Bell the Bear, and I'm very grateful that I'm part of this incredible independent school newspaper. Like, I love Bell the Bear. I love working for them, guys. So yeah. And then right here we have I don't know whether I should say a portrait, but then it's it's a portrait drawn by my beautiful friend Umabeja Lishilo. She drew this, and then she wanted to know what my favorite quote is, and I was like, okay, Maya Angelou, which goes like, life is not measured by the number of breath we take, but by the moments that take our breath away. Ooh, I am in love with this quote. and I feel like Mampeta did the things. She really captured my smile. She captured my smile. She captured my weave. I miss my weave very much. In my eyeballs, oh darling, eyeballs are sickening. And then we have my bed. This is where I sleep, and now this is where I get my beauty sleep. Like I love sleeping a lot, so even today I overslept and woke up very, very late. But then I didn't have classes today, or I had one class in the morning, and I was like, oh, darling, like, I can't wake up. I had to ditch it. So yeah, and then this is where, I don't know, the studying happens, but then this is like my board. I can write stuff. And then here we have my calendar. A bitch gotta be organized. So this is where I like organize my life. This is me right here. This is what I'll be doing on this day. My friends' birthdays are here. One of the days that I'm really excited to actually I can't wait for is the 8th of November, because bitch is turning 21. 21. I'm turning 21, guys. And then right here we have the wardrobe. This is where I keep my clothes. Ooh, I'm just glad to see it is organized, because I can be a very, very messy person. And then we have this mirror here. Now, what I love about this mirror is how huge it is. Oh my word, every time in the morning I'm like, okay, Pacey, today is the day. You are going to have an amazing day. You are going to be wonderful. Every morning before I leave this room, I just stand here and then look at myself and tell myself, okay, you are going to have an amazing day. You are going to be great. I was telling my friend the other day, okay, this is what I do every morning. This is me, my routine. I speak to myself. I feel like every now and then a person gotta sit down, talk to yourself and be true to who you are. Have a conversation with yourself. Anyway, that's it. It's not really much of an exciting room, but then yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, this is my side of the room. Okay guys, the popcorns are actually done now. Ooh darling, ooh, look at that. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but then look at that. Popcorns. Ooh, I'm excited. Ooh, darling. So since I'm having popcorns, I might as well talk about the movie Avengers Infinity War. Darling, the salt in these popcorns. As I was saying, I might as well talk about the movie Infinity War, because most of my friends were busy talking about the movie, telling me how great it is, I should go check it out. So I finally seen the movie this past weekend. It's a very great movie. I was glued to the screen. I was watching, paying attention to everything, and most of our favorite superheroes are there. So that's one of the things that I really like. Seeing most of our favorite superheroes there. Wakanda forever. Who else was there? Iron Man was there. Thor, Hulk. A bunch of our favorite superheroes were in that movie, and I really enjoyed seeing them. My movie. I don't want to give you guys spoilers. If you haven't seen the movie, go check out the movie. I'm not about to give you guys spoilers, because I hate spoilers myself. So the movie got me fucking confused. It got me confused. I had so many questions. Why would it end like that? The ending is very confusing for me. And these I don't understand. Apparently there's another movie that's coming up, so I'm hoping the movie that's coming up will probably answer the questions that were left by this one. I got so many questions. The villain, Thanos, oh my word, he's such an ugly fucking worm. I love how big he is, you know, those muscles. He's huge, guys. He's very huge. And he's serving. I almost said he is serving BGE. I feel like he is though. Like, this is amazing. I don't understand why I wasn't buying this. Movie night now is going to be amazing. I'm gonna get this. Maybe get a bottle of wine. Watch a movie or two. Alone, you know. Sometimes you just have to like be alone. Be alone. I don't remember the last time I went out. It's been a month if I'm not mistaken. Like it's been a long time. Long time. Last time I went out with my friends was when I was home. Yeah, when I was home. That's when I went home. I went out. Ever since I came back to Pretoria, I haven't been going out lately. At first I was like, oh no, my life is so boring. I don't have fun. Why am I not going out? But then when I sat down and actually thought about it, I was like, wow, this is actually nice, you know. You get to have more time with yourself. You get to think about life. You get to think about your future. You know, I'm not saying what I don't want to be with my friends or anything like that. I'm just saying it's like sometimes you just have to be alone. Just sit, enjoy your own company, you know. Love yourself, you know. Enjoy your own company. And these are really nice. What we're gonna do now, save these for later. Let me. Now we're talking. I don't have things on my mouth, but either way, I'm going to take a shower now. So yeah, guys, that's it. We've came to the end of my vlog. Yeah, no, I don't know what to call this a vlog, but then it is what it is. We tried the microwave popcorns. I almost said microwave boys. I showed you where I live, my apartment, my mansion. I showed you guys my mansion where I live. And yeah, so guys, thank you guys for coming through. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, do the things. Go hit the subscribe button right now, and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified whenever this face uploads a new video, because if you don't hit that bell, darling, you won't be notified whenever I upload a new video, you know. My name is Pesilovo, and this right here is my YouTube channel. See you guys on my next video. Bye.